Okay, so for this day, I want to answer this number 7, 8, 9, and 10 question. So, yeah, it's all about a mathematics question. Okay, so number 7 in 4,582. What digit? So, this is all about, I think, 100 or place value. So, I think, okay, in 4,582, what digit is in the hundreds place? So this is asking what specific number is in the place of 100 or in the 100 place. So um, the best thing here is to focus on the given number. Okay, so remember guys that we're in school, we've taught by our teachers. So that this number in the right side, the first number is the ones, tens, the hundred, and the thousand. So therefore, if this is asking where is the 100, this is pertaining to the 5. The 5. Okay. So the answer for the number 7 is letter B. Okay, so letter C is 8, letter D is 2, and the A is 4, and the 5 is, and the B is 5. Okay, so going next to number 8. Okay, so sorry for that unusual sound. Okay, so number 8, which symbol makes the statement true? Alright, again, which symbol makes the statement true? So we have 4,827 and a blank, okay, between that. The next number is 4,872. So this is tricky. 4,827 and 4,872. So which symbol will we use to compare? Okay, 4,827 and 4,872. So as you can see the bigger number here, though they are in 4,000, the bigger number here is the number that is in the right side, so the 4,872. So the symbol to be used is, okay, the letter V, okay, pertaining to the right side as the number with a big value. All right, so for number 8, the answer is letter B. Okay, same with the number 7. So then this is, yeah. All right, so okay, and we go with the number 9. Okay, we go with the number 9. A rectangle is covered by 3 rows of tiles with 4 tiles in each row. The question is, what is the area of the rectangle? So remember the formula for the area. For the area, there was length times width. So if you have the 3 and the 4, just to satisfy the formula, so it is more likely or most likely you will multiply. So 3 times 4, probably the answer for number 9 is 12. 12 square times. Why square? Because we are dealing here with the area of the rectangle. So the answer for number 9 is letter B. And okay, so let's have, okay, the number 10. What is the formula of a square? So I think, what is the formula of a square? I think this is prior to the area. Okay, so the question is, what is the formula of the area of the square? So if this is dealing with the formula of the square, the side s squared, or the side times side. So you multiply the side by itself twice. So I think the answer here is side times side, because s squared or side times side. So that's it. So let's answer the 7 to 10 only. Thank you.